Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineering General Knowledge YouTube channel. Guys, in this session, I would like to introduce the basic knowledge about Sketchup Pro design software in civil engineering. Guys, this is the interface page for Sketchup Pro. This is the templates, different templates and different units. For example, inches, centimeter, meters, and millimeters. And this the bottom part is about our projects, the files that we previously worked. This appears here. We can use this one or new templates from here. Simply we click on architectural centimeter, then the this page appears. This is the main page for Sketchup Pro. We can delete this, select and delete this. Guys, this three axis in this software is used. This red color shows the x-axis, the green color shows the y-axis, and this blue color axis is showing the z-axis. We can hide this entire axis from here, view and check the axis, and we can bring it back, check, come back. Guys, this is the very comprehensive softwares, design softwares used for modeling, drawing the 2D and 3D modeling, design and softwares, and we can do animation in this softwares also. A lot more options in here in the softwares. Let's jump on it one by one. Guys, in this softwares there are some menu bars on top. This is the file, and the file we can open a new file from here. Control N, new format template. After we draw some module, if we want to import to a template in the new page, maybe in A4, A3, A1, A0 page, we can adjust the drawing. We can go in the new format template. From here we can open, from here we can save our file, save as a template, and from here send it to the layout. Layout is also basically like a template. These are some templates, pre-made templates in the Sketchup Pro. Once we draw some model from here, we can import this directly from file and import to the layout, send it to the layout. We can do after that the printing. This is the geolocation 3D warehouse. We'll talk later on about 3D warehouse. Trimble connect, import. We can import it from here. Our animation, we can use animation for our cars, our buildings, walk out through, and import it to the different layers. We can import it to the video MP4, that export to 3D graphics sections, animations, print setups, print preview, print, generate reports. These are the file menu, and this is the edit menu bar. Undo, erase, alt plus backspace, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste in place, delete, delete guide, select all, select none, invert selection, hide and hide. These are all regard to our module. We can hide some elements, we can unhide, we can lock some components. These are all options here. Make component, make a group. We can talk about later on this about group, make component, and difference between all this. This is a group, insert face. Guys, this is the third menu bar is the view. We can set the, this is a toolbar. If we open this, we can open and close some of the menu bar toolbars. I want to disappear this toolbars from here. Freedo 6 animator, this is a free extension tools we can and select from here. This is, see this guys, from here we can hide some tools, extensions, menu bars. From here we can manage everything from here. We can close for right now. This is a sub options, receipt all new. Can close it for right now. Guys, this is camera, previous, next, standard view, parallel projection. This is the perspective, 2-point perspective, match new photos, orbit, pan, zoom, field of view, zoom window, zoom extent, position camera, walk, look around. Guys, we will talk on the next session about the details in this menu bar one by one. This is the draw, lined, arcs, shapes, sandbox. This is the tool menu bar, select, erase, paint bucket, move, rotate, scale, push pull, follow me, offset, outer shell, slide, solid tools, tape measure, protractor, axis, dimension, text, 3D text, Freedo collections, image trimmer, simplifier, advanced camera tools, interact, sandbox. And this is the Windows menu bar, default tray. These are a lot of sub elements from here we can use. This is the menu, manage tray, new tray, model information, preface, 3D warehouse, extension warehouse, extension manager, Rabicle console, lab Freedo 6 settings, component option. These are all we'll talk in the next session one by one in details. I just want to briefly introduce all these menu bars. This is extension, guys. This is extension toolbars that we installed these from the Sketchup Pro website. These are the very useful tools. Guys, this was the quick introduction about the SketchUp. The next session I will talk about these toolbars and the modeling some 2D and 3D plan, and we'll do the modeling and designing on that, and we'll practically use all these tool menu bar options one by one in the next session. Please, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, share, comments, and press the bell icon. Bye.